Hello and welcome back. In the first part of this video, we saw how to get started by importing data, building a model on valQ, and simulations to get plant capacities. In this second part of the video, we will see how to integrate the plan by creating KPIs, key inputs, and scenarios, and finally publishing the report for final production of plant capacities. So let's get started. This is our capacity planning model which we created on valQ. First, let us decide which KPIs are to be created by identifying them. Now let us exit the design mode by clicking this icon over here. Now click Settings, which is on the left side of this page. Click on Navigation panel where you can find an option called KPIs. Click here and start adding KPIs by typing in the names derived capacity fill, capacity plan, capacity value for fully auto systems, capacity value for semi-auto systems, and days on hand inventory post plan period. Now click Save. Then we add our key input, which is also a part of the navigation panel just above KPIs. Now let's bring gap of sales over budget as our key input and click Save. Exit the design mode, and this is the left side of the navigation panel where you will find the key inputs and KPIs which we have created in the same chronology. Let's scroll upwards to create scenarios. This is a section for scenarios. Click on the plus sign to add a scenario, and let me add another one like this. So we have created only two scenarios, and we will easily attempt simulations and what if analysis over them. So click scenario 2 and let us all jump on to production demand of fully auto systems. Increase it by 24% like this. Now search for semi-auto and its production demand. Increase it by 24% as well, like this. Once done, quickly jump onto the level where we can see the impact of simulations. Our KPIs have different figures now. So let's go on scenario 3 and attempt simulations. First on semi-auto, let's increase its production demand by 34%. And for fully auto, let's increase by 22%, like this. When we jump onto the level and check the impact of simulations, we will find that they have changed again, but we want to compare them together. So we click here and take a look at the impact on our KPIs for both the scenarios together. This screen helps us to compare the scenarios really quick, as we see that the impact of simulation clearly shows that there is an improvement on derived capacity fill, and our DOH is also improved, whereas scenario 2 is not that favorable for business. Hence it is necessary to convert the scenario in a final capacity plan by first publishing on Power BI services and then downloading it in Excel. For doing that, we come out of this. In the home ribbon, we click on Publish, click on Save, select the destination where we want the file to be saved. Here, the file gets saved. Now log on to Power BI services using your login credentials. You will find your destination folder and your saved model in the report section. Click your file to open your model and click on scenario comparison icon, which is over here. Click on download to Excel and select the scenario number 3, which is our chosen one. Remember to keep this option unselected if you want the entire report to be downloaded and not just the report showing your KPIs. Click download. Now when you check the download Excel file, you will find the planned capacity in units derived under scenario 3 and the derived days on hand. This file can now be shared with our manufacturing facility for production of the stocks. That's it. So we saw how valQ supports capacity planning and makes it beautifully easy. Reach us on support@valq.com. Keep watching this space for more.